love me. It doesn't matter, it goes into my head as just chit chatter. You may think it's egotistical or just very free, but what you say, I take none of it seriously. And even if I did, I wouldn't tell you so. I'd let you pretend to read me, and then you'd know. Cause I hate when one attempts to analyze. Fact, I despise those who even try to look into my eyes to see what I am thinking. That dream is over, your yacht is sinking. I tell all of you like I told all of them. What you say to me is just paper thin. Word. Try to play a man out. I take the money and again then break the hell out. No, that's not my strategy, not the game I play. I admit I play a game, but it's not done that way. Truly, when I get involved, I give it my heart. I mean, my mama sold my body, but if it doesn't work out, yo, it just doesn't. It wasn't meant to be, you know, it just wasn't. So I treat all of you like I treat all of them, and what you say to me is still paper thin.
These niggas, I'm the realest man. What's with all these niggas and they feelings, man? All of this and I'm still the man. Thought of this when I was just a fan, but all this money wasn't in the plan. Now it's all about them Benjamin. Ballin' hard, you understand. All this money, I'm a businessman. Out of all these niggas, I'm the realest man. Out of all these niggas, they calling me them villains. Started underneath the farm, now I'm wearing another selling. Always staying on my grind, turn nothing to a man. Used to just try to live, now a nigga make a killing. Don't roll your arm, 10 rings like a dog. Cuban links on my chain, zigzag on my charm. Champagne on ice, girl weed in the jar. Everything Hermes, Chanel seats in the car. When you all know them fuck niggas start hating. Talk about what they gon' do, but I'm waiting. When you get rich, they doubt you. Can't get out of the well, cause I couldn't do this without you. For real, what's with all these niggas and they feelings, man? All of this and I was still a man. Thought of this when I was just a fan. But all this money wasn't in the plan. Now it's all about them Benjamins. Ballin' hard, you innocent.
Yeah, go time, Monday. Sun Coast, Charles Coast, my niggas, Little D, Little Slappy. Starting over, 0-0. Niggas in the house. Wow. Shoes. Yeah. My balls for tonight, my balls. We're going with the new ball, man. And then this the backup ball. Dang, I think I need my other ball, I'm not sure. This dude right here is in the house. What happened last week, man? I'm telling
Last week
I won the first game. And then you won the second game.
And then I think I lost the couple pins round. I don't know.
Oh yeah, let's check. Hold on, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Hold on, watch this. Yeah. Hey, breaking news. He in the hole. He in the hole.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wait a second.
Okay, I was like, he in the hole, $10. Yeah. Oh, well, what you gonna do tonight?
Oh yeah.
You gonna do
Oh, absolutely. Every week. Every week. Okay.
Okay, good.
Oh yeah.
Got
good.
All right, then too. Damn, man, I can't strike. Got the strikes now. Now we ready. For game 2. Watch game. Bam. Watch game 2. 198. Damn, man, I couldn't strike this game.
Always some trouble.
Game 1, I'm in trouble.
Don't give it up, bro.
Don't give it up?
Oh, yeah.
He got game 1. Let me see what he got. He gonna have a
70 point difference.
Damn, he going 257. Damn. ain't getting right. Oh, man. 201.
You alright?
I got a chance, Charlie.
Hell no.
Oh, you said hell no.
201? No chance.
201, no chance. Y'all heard that. Watch this. What the? Now we want to strike. This should have been 300. Got cheated right there. That was a bad shot. 258. Yeah, I got this dude. He was up last. I came back. I might
You
get him
came
total.
back- you came
I
back
might
with
get
not
him
even
total.
money.
I might get total.
No, I just only kind of spare and then I beat you. That's it.
Look, so still 10 last week because you gave me a 10.
Yes,
So
yes.
if he win this, oops, sorry. If he win this last game, he can still owe me 10. Because we'll be even tonight.
Fuck that, man. Fuck.
But hey, look, if you lose,
Yeah, right, yeah.
If you lose, the last gonna be 20. It's gonna be 20. If you don't get 180, it's gonna be
Never
20.
gonna happen like this shit, okay?
Right, we're gonna stay and watch. Watch this.
So anyway, if I win, I mean.